Today I wanted to test this thing I actually saw scrolling through my Pinterest last night, and it was how to clean a fan without having to take the whole thing apart. So it seemed super intriguing to me. The video that I watched was one of those circular fans, not this box fan, and they sprayed this mixture on it and then tarped it with just a plastic shopping bag. So what I'm going to do is use my box fan here, but I'm going to use a trash bag to tie around this, and hopefully it works. I might have to use 2 trash bags. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna make it work yet, but I'm gonna try my darndest. But the mixture that they mixed together was water, a little bit of baking soda, cleaning vinegar, and some Dawn dish soap. I already have my vinegar, water, and Dawn dish soap in this spray bottle. It wasn't any particular measurements or anything like that, so I just kind of eyeballed it and we're gonna see what happens. I honestly don't think it really matters that much. So I'm just gonna add in a little bit of my baking soda here. I'm gonna spray it pretty decently here just to, I mean, I don't know. We'll see what happens. So the point of the trash bag is just to collect all of this, because what we're gonna do is plug the fan in and turn it on, and it's essentially gonna blow all of that stuff right out into the trash bag. The best way to put the trash bag on, by the way, this is a 30-gallon trash bag. My regular trash bags didn't fit. Trash bag on over the top, and then I just tucked it underneath the bottom here. So now I'm gonna plug it in, turn it on, and probably like 5 or 10 minutes and see what blew out of this. That's gonna be the exciting part. So I am gonna cut open this trash bag and we'll see what actually blew out of it. And we'll kind of compare the before and after. It's been going for probably 10 minutes. I'm gonna take the garbage bag off and see if it actually did anything to the inside. I'm genuinely very curious. So real talk, that did absolutely nothing. All it did was make the inside of the fan wet, which totally kind of sucks. I had high hopes for this. I really, really did. Well, I guess with that, you guys, at least we tested this TikTok Pinterest hack. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and of course, I will see you guys in the next video.